Hi, Philip from T.W White Sons. We're delighted to take in this 2014 on a 64 plate Mazda 3 2-litre 120 PS SE-L Nav, finished in Sol Red. Manual car, done just a shade over 20,000 miles. This car's in outstanding condition. Beautifully kept car. Comes standard with privacy glass, alloy wheels, reverse aid sensors. Really is in superb condition. Got a very decent size 60/40 split rear seat system here with load area cover, and it's great to see underneath here the condition by which this last owner has kept this car. Two owners from new, but the last owner has really looked after this. Both owners have actually. Pump kits all present, very nice and clean there. Condition's lovely. Unmarked alloy wheels. This car's just been through the workshop. We would have carried out a service on it. We would have also gone through the car and carried out 101 point used car check, encapsulating everything from tyre. We check on tyre tread depths. We check on brake pad wear, brake disc wear, condition of wipers, all the vehicle's electrical systems, etc. So it's been thoroughly prepared for customer sale. Very decent size interior this, and beautifully appointed with these very durable black cloth seats, extending over here to the door cards. You'll see that you've got all the master controls for the electric windows with the one-touch auto facility on the driver's side. Electric power folding door mirrors. In here you've got traction control, Mazda's iStop technology and tyre pressure monitoring system. Multi-function steering wheel in front of you. On the left-hand side you have, just turn this volume down, we'll come to that in a minute. Left hand side here you've got all the stereo controls and integrated Bluetooth with voice control. On the right hand side you have cruise control, and beyond that you have automatic wipers with variable speed on the intermittent and automatic lights. Really great spec car. You can see there 20,016 miles. In front of you, you have your tachometer, rev counter, sorry, speedometer rather. On the left-hand side, you've got your tachometer, rev counter, displaying the mileage at 20,016. On the right-hand side here, you got this fuel computer. Tells us there's 68 miles left in the tank. You press the info button here, and it will change all the functions for you. You can see there, like so. You can also reset things as well. So really great, very clear instrumentation. As I say, 20,016 miles. Shown on the interior, on the lights here, side lights, so you get a really good view of everything that's here. Mazda's infotainment multimedia center, for want of a better word. You can program in your phone. You've also got stereo here, FM AM, USB connectivity and Bluetooth, stream your music. Very clear instrumentation here in the center. Applications, you've got a fuel economy monitor. It's got Mazda's iStop technology, this car. When the vehicle is iStop enabled, you come up to traffic lights, for example. Those traffic lights are red and the engine will cut out. It will cut in again as soon as you engage a gear. It has obvious advantages in terms of fuel saving, but also for fuel economy. You can see here the average since last reset is 39.1, which is highly respectable, but a lot of that is dependent upon the way in which you drive. Maintenance here, well, you can see we've just serviced it. The servicing now is not due for another 12 months or 12,500 miles, whatever comes first. The oil change is at 100%. And you've also got here warning guidances, any warnings found, etc. So really great spec. Navigation, we need to put the SD card in to keep the navigation enabled. And you've also got settings here which controls your display. Safety, smart city brake support this car has. Sound, it's got bass, treble, fader balance and automatic level control. You adjust automatic level control, adjusts the volume to compensate for any road or engine noise. Back in settings, you can adjust your, just show you, you can adjust your clock between 12 and 24 hours and the various time zone formats. You can adjust controls in the vehicle, such as your door locks, your indicators. You can actually adjust the indicator volume, believe it or not. Lights, you can adjust all your lighting, lights on warning volume, your auto headlights on sensitivity, your interior lights. So really great spec with this. You can adjust your temperature between Celsius and Fahrenheit and distance between miles and kilometers. Really great spec. So here on this screen here, you've got your stereo, your Bluetooth for the phone, navigation and all your settings. Couldn't be easier. Reverse, it's got parking sensors, as you can hear, that comes in. So very useful when parking. Passenger and driver heated seats. These are 3-stage heated seats. You can see. Climate control, air conditioning. You just dial in the temperature, hit automatic. It will adjust all the air for you. The fan speeds, where you want the air to go. We can, of course, override that just by adjusting the fan manually or pressing the mode button here. But some people, they just input the temperature, hit the auto, and it does it all for them. Really well spec car this. CD socket beneath here. Beautiful shifting 6-speed manual box, very easy to control. This car's got fantastic road manners, superb road holding, handling, braking performance. Very responsive car, and the gear shift to use a 6-speed gearbox like this. Mazda are renowned for their superb manual transmissions. This is no exception. It drives beautifully. Main navigation wheel here, which operates this. You can adjust it through touchscreen at standstill, like so. But you can see everything is being done here by touchscreen. So that's easy enough, but you can only do that at standstill. When you're on the move, you have to adjust everything through this button here, which is the main navigation control. So you've got nav here on the right hand side, home screen, music, favourites through the star button, and a back button there. And to execute and you scroll your way through menus, you use this volume control. Very simple. Centre armrest here, you've got a USB socket in there, you can't see it particularly well, and 12-volt power socket. But what's brilliant about this car, level of specification is outstanding. You've got everything there, cruise control, automatic lights, wipers. We will enable the satellite navigation. Electric windows all round, electric power folding door mirrors, 20,016 miles. But what's great about this car, and what you can't take away from all these cars, can be loaded with whatever specification they like. It all boils down to how this car's been looked after, and it is in absolutely outstanding condition, ready to go to its next owner. We will put on a 12 months Mazda approved warranty with the car, so it will come fully prepared for its next owner. If you want to find out more about this Mazda 3 or any of our other used Mazda cars, please also remember that we take in any part exchange, any vehicle in part exchange. We do full funding facilities, but what I was going to say was, if you want to find out any more about this car or any of our other Mazda 3s, or indeed any of our other used cars, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhiteandsons.co.uk. Thank you for watching.